Imagine a stock in your portfolio that pays you over a 50% dividend yield. Investor Warren Buffett doesn't have to. His yield to cost for his shares on Coca-Cola pay him a 54% annual dividend yield. His 30-year investment in Coca-Cola surely paid off, as not only has his 400 million shares grown from $1.3 billion to almost $24 billion, a 1,735% return in price appreciation, but his dividend income grew from 22 cents per share in 1994 to $1.76 per share times 4 because Coca-Cola split twice, making his 1 share from 1994 now 4 shares, each paying him an annual dividend of $1.76. That is a 3,100% growth from 1994. Now, finding the next Coca-Cola may not be easy, but we can find stocks that have been growing their dividend throughout history like Coke has. And that's what our list is today. These 5 stocks are the top dividend yields of the Dividend Kings List, a list of stocks that have grown their dividends for over 50 years. Here are the yields and the names we will be covering today. Let's see if you can match the yield to the names through the list. To keep updated, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be amongst the first to know when more investment inspiration videos are available. As always, we will be working our way up through the list to reach the number 1 stock. But since we're dealing with the Dividend Kings, let's save the longest reigning for the last and start with the most recent crowning member. Starting off our list, we have AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. AbbVie is a dividend king that has been increasing its dividends for 51 years. AbbVie Inc. discovers, develops, manufactures, and sells pharmaceuticals worldwide. The company's main drug is Humira, a therapy administered as an injection for autoimmune and other diseases. Up until 2022, they had a patent that allowed them to be the sole competitor with this drug. Humira accounts for more than 30% of AbbVie's revenue. Analysts believe that Humira's sales will fall 35 to 55% in 2023 due to competition from biosimilars and generics. But let's not forget that AbbVie also makes many other drugs. More specifically, Skyrizi, which sales surged about 76% to $1.58 billion in the fourth quarter of 2022. Rinvoq sales also soared 49% to $770 million. In 2023, their stock price has already been pretty beat up and has gone opposite from the S&P's positive marks. AbbVie is a dividend king and has been through many business cycles without Humira. With their leadership providing conservative guidance and their stock price already reflecting negative outlook for 2023, now might be a great time to pick up some AbbVie shares for your portfolio. Currently, AbbVie pays a dividend yield of 3.98%. Next on our list, Leggett & Platt Incorporated, ticker symbol LEG. Leggett & Platt Incorporated designs, manufactures, and markets engineered components and products worldwide. They operate through 3 segments: bedding products, specialized products, and furniture, flooring, and textile products. Leggett & Platt has been a dividend king for 51 years. From comfort bedding to high-class and technological advanced car seats, Leggett & Platt creates what you need to enhance your life. Whether it's sleeping, seating, office space, cars, or even airplanes, they have what you need. While 2022 was a bad year due to weak demand in the residential markets, the company was able to raise its dividend in November of 2022. Additionally, Leggett repurchased 1.7 million shares. While the company's CEO does see this bad trend continuing through 2023, the company is focused on working with their customers on new product opportunities, continuing to focus and improving their operating efficiency and driving strong cash management. Their financial strength gives them confidence in their ability to successfully navigate challenging markets while investing in long-term opportunities. Leggett & Platt which was founded in 1883 in Missouri, has definitely seen some tough economic times. Trading at just under 15 times earnings, now might be the best time to add this innovative engineering company to your portfolio. Currently, Leggett and Pat pay a dividend yield of 5.18%. Next on our list, and a company from Richmond, Virginia, we have Universal Corporation, ticker symbol UVV. Universal Corporation is a global business-to-business agri-product supplier to consumer products manufacturer, operating in over 30 countries on 5 continents. Universal has been a dividend king for 52 years. Universal's principal focus is being the leading global leaf tobacco supplier. Through their plant-based ingredients platform, they provide a wide variety of value-added manufacturing processes to produce high-quality, specialty vegetable and fruit-based ingredients, as well as botanical extracts and flavorings for the food and beverage markets. Universal has had trouble as of late though, as their sales have declined over the past 5 years. More recently, they did post fourth quarter sales increase in 2022 of 7% from the same period last year, so things may be looking up for Universal. Universal Corp currently pays a dividend yield of 5.95%. If you like these kinds of videos and want us to find different stocks for your investment portfolio, be sure to leave us a comment down below. Also, all the names on this list can be invested for just $5 if you use Webull and their fractional share purchase program. So with just $25, you can get all 5 companies on today's list and start earning dividend income right away. If you're finding value in this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Now, on to our top 2. Coming in at runner-up and a better known tobacco company, we have Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. Altria Group has been part of the Dividend Kings List for 53 years. Altria Group, through its subsidiaries, manufactures and sells smokable and oral tobacco products in the United States. While they do have many other cigars, pipes, and smokeless varieties, their main seller has always been Marlboro. Altria Group Inc. was founded in 1822 and is headquartered in Richmond, Virginia. Their company is currently trading at a very good valuation, and despite its high dividend yield coming in at 8.08%, it has had more than enough free cash flow in 2022 to cover all of it, signaling to investors that the dividend is sustainable. Also, if you're wondering how 2 tobacco companies can still be raising dividends for over 75 years after the Surgeon General warned against the risks of tobacco and all the seemingly destructive laws that came down to the tobacco industry, these companies still weather the storm and continue to bring in profits to investors. Currently, the only real reason not to invest or to sell these companies if you own them already would be for your own personal beliefs in not participating in the profits from these kinds of businesses. But if that was the case, we still have 3 other names, and coming into our number 1 name on our list today, we have 3M, ticker symbol MMM. 3M was founded in 1902 and is headquartered in St. Paul, Minnesota. They have been raising their dividends for 64 years, landing them in the number 1 spot on today's highest yielding Dividend Kings list. You may think of 3M as a paper company that invented post-it notes and scotch tape, but they are so much more. The company operates through 4 segments: safety and industrial, transportation and electronics, healthcare, and consumer. While recently they have been going through some legal issues, their stock definitely has priced that in already. Currently, 3M pays a dividend yield of 5.1%. I hope you enjoyed this list of the highest yielding Dividend Kings. Let us know how you did on matching up those yields to the names from the beginning of the video. And be sure to check out our playlist on the highest paying dividend stocks for your dividend portfolio, and we'll see you there.